students, in the last class we have revised about multiplication of polynomial. So today we are going to do revision on division of polynomial. Division of monomial by monomial. Now we are going to divide monomial by monomial. The first one, 10x raised to 7 divided by 2x raised to 4. So now we are going to divide this monomial by the second monomial. So 10x raised to 7 divided by 2x raised to 4. So 10x raised to 7 upon 2x raised to 4. So now again we are using here the second law of exponent, that is x raised to a divided by x raised to b equals to x raised to a minus b. So here we are going to minus the exponent powers. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So 5x raised to 7 divided by x raised to 4. So now we are going to use here the second law of exponent, that is x raised to a divided by x raised to b equals to x raised to a minus b, that is 7 minus 4, which is equals to 3. So x raised to 3. So the answer comes to be 5x raised to 3. The second division, division of polynomial by monomial. So now we are going to divide a polynomial by a single term, that is monomial. So simplify 64 y raised to 4 plus 8 y raised to 3 upon 4 y raised to 3. So now I have to divide this polynomial by a monomial, that is a single term. So how do we divide? So first 64x raised to y raised to 4 we have to divide by 4 y raised to 3. Now I have to split the terms, that is 64 y raised to 4 upon 4 y raised to 3. So 4 ones are 4, 16s are 64, so 16. Now again y raised to 4 upon y raised to 3. So here again I am using the second law of exponent, that is x raised to a divided by x raised to b equals to x raised to a minus b. So y raised to 4 divided by y raised to 3 equals to y raised to 4 minus 3, which is 1. So 16y. Now the second part, that is 8y raised to 3 upon 4y raised to 3. So 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, y raised to 3, y raised to 3. Both are same, so gets cancelled. Remainder is 1, so answer is 2. So now I have to arrange it, that is 64 y raised to 4 plus 8 y raised to 3 upon 4 y raised to 3. So I have splitted the terms to make it easy. So now I have to combine the answer, that is 16y plus 2. First one, simplify m raised to 6 upon m raised to 3. So m raised to 6 upon m raised to 3. Here I have to use the second law of exponent, that is x raised to a divided by x raised to b, which is equals to x raised to a minus b. So m raised to 6 divided by m raised to 3 equals to m raised to, subtract the exponent powers, that is 6 minus 3, which is 3, which is equals to m cube. The second sum, 8x raised to 9 y raised to 5 upon 2 x square y cube. So how do we divide this? 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, so 4. Now here I have to use the second law of exponent, as x raised to a divided by x raised to b equals to x raised to a minus b, that is x raised to 9 divided by x raised to 2, which comes to be x raised to 9 minus 2. Similar for y raised to 5 divided by y raised to 3, which comes to be y raised to 5 minus 3. I have just used here second law of exponent. So 4 x raised to 9 minus 2, that is x raised to 7, y raised to 5 minus 3, that is y square. So the answer comes to be 4 x raised to 7 y square. Simplify 7a minus 7b upon 7. So again I have to split this 7 to this both parts, that is 7a upon 7 and 7b upon 7. So 7 get cancelled and we are left with a. Similarly here 7 get cancelled and we are left with b. So 7a minus 7b upon 7, which is equals to the first part answer I got a, middle sign is minus, so minus, and the second part answer I got b. So answer comes to be a minus b. The next sum, minus 14x raised to 12y plus 8x raised to 5z upon 2x square. So again I have to split this 2x square to both the terms. So the first term it is minus 14x raised to 12y upon 2x square, and the second term 8x raised to 5z upon 2x square. I have just split the denominator to both the terms of numerator. So the 2 ones are 2, 7s are minus 14, so minus 7. Now here again I have to use here the second of exponent, that is x raised to 12 divided by x raised to 2 comes to be x raised to 12 minus 2 y. So x raised to 12 minus 2, that is x raised to 10. So the answer comes to be minus 7 x raised to 10 y. In the second part similarly, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, so 4 x raised to 5 upon x raised to 2, which comes to be x raised to 5 minus 2. Again here I have used the second of exponent. So x raised to 3 z. So the answer comes to be 4x cube z. So minus 14x raised to 12y plus 8x raised to 5z upon 2x square comes, the answer comes to be minus 7x raised to 10y plus 4x cube z. So students, I hope you all have understood the division on polynomials. So there is a small test based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.